Are you washing the floor for Mama? It's pretty dirty. Uh-oh. Little stick from outside. Are you washing the floor?
No.
Washing the door. You're getting a lot of dirt on that rag. That's kind of gross. You're pretty helpful. Can I give you the mop next? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where did it go? Where is it? There it is. Okay. Yuckies. Thank you. Thank you for helping.